Well, here it is, everyone. The highly anticipated AMS Cat-Back exhaust system for your 22 and up Subaru WRX. To say that I feel like a kid at Toys R Us again is an understatement. Big thank you to the guys over at AMS for sending me the very first Cat-Back exhaust system to hit the market. This exhaust comes with 3-inch piping, amazing welds as you can see. They chose to do muffler deletes. This exhaust comes with 3 different tip options: your standard polished, black, or as you can see here, burnt. It also comes with all the necessary hardware. I cannot wait to get this exhaust put on the car. Next, we will have videos of the install and some sound clips, so stay tuned.